I have been holding on to this hotel tour for months. Oops. Come check out the newly renovated Knott's Hotel with me. Hey friends, it's Becca Robbins here. Today I'm super excited to show you the newly renovated Knott's Hotel right by Knott's Berry Farm. You're going to love this property. It's in Buena Park, a short 10-minute drive from Disneyland. And I'm going to flip this around and show you the room and the hotel. But please don't judge the housekeeping. We did stay in this room last night. Okay, this is going to be a standard 2-queen hotel room at the Knott's Hotel. As you enter the room, you are immediately greeted by the sink and vanity outside of the bathroom. And you can see that you have a Bluetooth mirror with lighting around it. The best thing about this room is the toiletries. The boysenberry vanilla scented lotion is divine. I love it. I'm taking this home with me. I intend on buying a full-size one next time I have a checked bag that I can take it home in. The bathroom itself is updated, but it's still quite simple. You have the same boysenberry vanilla scent for your shampoo, conditioner, body wash. It's a shower tub combo. I hate, though, that they still have this builder-grade shower head. This is something they could have easily updated to make the bathroom feel like it was updated at the same amount, I guess, to match the rest of the room. You have a small closet with your ironing board and iron and your safe in it. But coming into the main part of the room, we have 2 queen beds. The art and the decor is all new and it's all a farmhouse style. This pays homage to the Knott's Farm that was once right here where Knott's Berry Farm is now located. Here you have your entertainment center / dresser. This is also where your coffee station is, as well as a mini fridge. And then on the side, you have drawers that you can use. I know this is hard to see, but it is a plug-in with USB ports to charge your devices. The one thing I will say about this room is even when I have all the lights on, it is not super bright. More farm decor on the walls, and then you have a lamp over this oversized chair. It is not a sleeper chair as far as I can tell. And just one last shot of the 2 queen beds. And now let's check out the lobby and other areas of the hotel. The lobby is gorgeous and has been done to resemble the sitting rooms and family spaces where you would sit with guests in your own home. The Knotts loved entertaining guests, and so they really wanted to have that feel in the lobby. The Berry Place is the gift shop in the lobby and features the best boysenberry jams and other fixings that you can purchase to enjoy it at home. Again, though you do need to have checked luggage to do that. But remember the toiletries with the boysenberry vanilla scent? You can buy travel and full-size toiletries with the signature scent. Plus, they have Peanuts gang merch and the food items in here as well. As far as food, there is a quick service called the Pantry. It serves Starbucks and quick bites. 30 Acres, though, is the new dining option in the hotel. It serves a buffet breakfast in the morning, which is not included with your hotel stay. It is extra. It had a good variety of food and was kept clean the whole morning while I was there. By the way, the name 30 Acres is a reference to the amount of land the Knott's Farm started with. Where 30 Acres really shines, though, is their lunch and dinner menu. Our group had the steak, the salmon, and because we were at Knott's, we had to order the boysenberry barbecue brick oven pizza. The food here was really good, and I would say a decent price. The lobby bar serves craft drinks in the afternoon to evening time, but what I want to point out is that wedding photo of the Knotts on the back wall there. All throughout the hotel, there are pictures and facts about Knott's Berry Farm. The hotel is beautiful, and if you're looking to hold a meeting, a wedding, a giant birthday party, or a quinceañera, they have a lot of meeting space on the second floor here. But let's take a quick look outside of the pool area. I am not going in the pool area today, but it has a decent-sized pool, a hot tub, and then you can see a splash zone. When it is on, water sprays out of the pipes and onto the splash pad. Okay, friends, what do you think? I think it's gorgeous. I love it. Let me know if you want to stay here down in the comments. And if you want to stay here at a discounted rate and you want discount Knott's Berry Farm tickets and discount Disneyland tickets, you can get that by using a link in the description or by calling 855-GET-AWAY and tell them Becca, the theme park tips gal, sent you, and they'll hook you up with all of my discounts, or you can just use that link and the discounts are automatically applied. And we will see you real soon.